what is this vine? It grows under the fence and into my flower beds. It comes up under the neighbor's trees so they can't be poisoned or dig it up. I am tired of crawling around all summer to pull it out by hand. I have tried twisting it into balls and baggies with Roundup. I am consider having beds dug up this winter and the vine roots pulled out, then returning the plants to the bed. Do you have any other suggestions? And this is Pat from Nashville, Tennessee. All right, so First question is first. What is this vine? Carolina snail seed is what that is. Because if you look at the seed actually looks like a snail. Right, so Carolina snail weed. But she wants to know how to get rid of it though.
Oh man, that's going to be a long process. She could use herbicides, but she can dig it up just like she's talking about. The problem is, it's going to be back.
It's going to be back.
Because like she said, it's coming from somewhere, and I don't,
Yeah, it's coming from under her neighbor's tree. Of course,
so,
the neighbor's property.
Yeah.
Which is why she doesn't want to, use
right.
herbicides. All right.
Well, I don't think it would really hurt the vine too much because it's rooting in her area. Right. So I don't think it's going to translocate clear over to the other side. I don't think it's going to do that. But, it is going to take a long time because it's going to keep regenerating and coming over the fence and through the fence in that area.
It's going to be a long process, and then of course she wants to, return to putting plants in the bed.
Yeah.
You know what my suggestion is for that? Can you use a pre-emerge maybe? If you can get up all the plant material, put down a pre-emerge, I don't know, if it would affect, the vine per se. You have to read the label and see, if that shows up on the label. But, you can use a pre-emerge and give it a shot just to see.
That would get the seeds, but the plants that are already there, and if she digs it up, that's one thing. Yeah. But hopefully, the thing is, it may crawl under the fence.
It may.
But it might take longer for it to do that.
It may. Yeah, that's going to be a long, tedious process.
It's a lot of work there.
Yeah, cut it back, and hopefully your neighbor can help out too.
That'd be nice.
With that, maybe put down a pre-emerge or something like that. Yes, Miss Pat, that's going to be a long, tedious process. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.